The tower kit with lightning protection devices for telecom towers. Tall towers transmitting cellular signals are located almost everywhere you look. For best reception, communication equipment and antennas are mounted on towers and buildings, permitting wireless communication and signal transmission for phones and radios. It is necessary for this electric equipment and supporting technology to work correctly to ensure proper signal reception and uninterrupted communication in the area. Due to their height, communication towers require a well-designed and proper lightning protection system. LEC provides cutting-edge lightning protection devices for telecommunication towers on the market. Our exclusive, state-of-the-art components are the highest quality available, with new and improved products consistently under development. Streamer formation. Due to the design and the nature of the equipment on communication towers, there are many points along the height of the structure that a streamer can form, especially where sensitive technology such as dishes and antennas are located. LEC Tower Kit. Due to the overwhelming demand for tower protection, we have created a package specifically designed to protect towers simply called the Tower Kit. Comprised of lightning protection, grounding, and surge protection, it is a cost-efficient and easy-to-implement system which will provide towers and the associated equipment the protection that they need. The lightning protection device is included in the Tower Kit. 1. Spline Ball Ionizer, SBI. The patented SBI is a hybrid lightning protection concept engineered to provide multiple layers of protection for critical applications. In its primary mode, the SBI lowers the risk of direct strikes by utilizing a phenomenon known as charge transfer, where a well-grounded point exchanges ions between the air and earth. This ionizing capability helps keep the local electric field below lightning potential, making the protected site less likely to experience direct strikes. 2. Chem Rod. The patented Chem Rod creates the optimal earth connection with a large conductive surface, electrolytic salts, and specially formulated backfill. Available in a variety of configurations, Chem Rods help achieve your target resistance using fewer electrodes and less real estate. 3. TLX 100, a nipple-mounted surge protector for light load service entrances and subpanels. The TLX 100 has 100,000 amps of protection in all modes including LN, LG, LL and NG. It is a versatile Type 1 SPD which provides a wide variety of voltages and configurations for any application and can be installed upstream or downstream of main disconnect. LEC Tower Kit Structure. The entire structure and the connected communication equipment can be properly shielded and made immune to long-term exposure. Get your lightning protection device quote today.